everyone, especially for vegetarians. It is a one dish without which they cannot enjoy any party or any occasion. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka. Today I am going to show you the simple and super easy recipe of butter paneer masala. So let's see what all we need for that. So for rich and creamy butter paneer masala, we need 4 roughly chopped tomatoes, 3 roughly chopped onions, 500 grams of paneer. I have cut it into triangles, but you can cut it in any shape whatever you want. A small piece of cinnamon stick, 3 cardamoms and 4 cloves. 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, 1.5 teaspoon salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala. ये मेरा homemade garam masala है, but if you want the recipe, please comment me in the comment section. Half teaspoon sugar, 2.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 3 tablespoons butter, 4 tablespoons cream and oil. Now what we have to do, we'll put 1 teaspoon of oil in a kadhai and let it become hot for some time. The oil has become hot. Now we'll put cinnamon stick, cloves and cardamom and let them splutter. Now we'll add tomatoes. Add onions. If you don't want onions, you can skip onions at this stage. It will still taste delicious. Now add cashew nuts. Adding cashew nuts will make the gravy more creamy and little sweet at the same time. Now mix them well. Now I will add salt, around half teaspoon of salt. Adding salt will help them to cook faster and onions will ooze out all the water. Now add around 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix them well. Now cover it with the lid and let them cook for at least 15 minutes. Mixture is cooking since 15 minutes now. We'll check it. They are cooked well now. We'll transfer it into a blender jar to make a smooth paste out of it. The mixture is grinded well now. We'll proceed to the next step. Now switch on the gas and to the same kadhai add 3 tablespoons of butter. Teaspoon of oil or ghee. It will prevent the burning of butter. Add the paste and cook it nicely. Now at this stage we'll add 3 tablespoons of yogurt with continuous stirring, otherwise the gravy will curdle. Adding curd will give it a really nice flavor. Add garam masala. Add red chili powder. You need to continuously stir the gravy, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pan. Add salt. Now add kasuri methi. Crush it between your palms. It will enhance the flavor of gravy. Add sugar. And now add 1.5 cups of water. I have washed the same blender jar with water. Cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes now. It's been cooking since 10 minutes now. Let's check it. Don't worry if you feel the gravy is too watery or thin. It will thicken as it cools down or after we add paneer. Now it's time to add paneer and mix it well. Cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. It's been cooking since 10 minutes now. It's time to add cream. The butter paneer masala is done now. We'll switch off the gas. Butter paneer masala is now ready. Now let's taste. The gravy has thickened now. Garnish it with some red chili, kasuri methi and cream. You can try this recipe with roti, paratha, naan or even with rice. It will taste yum. I recommend you to try this recipe. You will love it. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions in our comment box. Until next recipe, bye bye. Thanks for watching.